3. Do we have a new kind of prejudice? Earlier this year, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit in New York gave special privileges to the Communist Party, whereas Republicans and Democrats who give more than $50 to a campaign must have a report filed by their party giving their name, address, and the amount of their donation. The Communist Party was given a privileged status in that no such donor reports are required of it. National Review, June the 25th, 1982, 736. Now, up to a point, we can understand the court's apparent reasoning. No one ordinarily gets into trouble for contributing to a Republican or a Democrat campaign. It is possible that contributions to the Communist Party, if made public, could cause problems for the donor. But is this in fact the case? When and how often has a man suffered for giving to the Communist Party? I hear more often of problems connected with giving to the United Way. Some people like to apportion their gifts directly to their preferred causes, and because many offices and stores want 100% giving, trouble ensues for the independent holdout. The point is that if we make an unpopular stand, we should be prepared to face problems because of it. Our problem today is that we are trying, by law, to counteract problems of prejudice by reverse discrimination. Criminals have at times perhaps had to face a bias in court. Now the bias is against the victims of crime. The essence of justice, as the Bible makes clear, is that there be no respecting of persons, whether they be rich or poor, or anything else. We are now showing by law an emphatic respect for persons, and thus we are saying that favoritism to certain groups must have priority over justice. We thus have a new kind of prejudice. Justice is suffering as a consequence. A juror in one lawsuit told me that the jury knew that the suit to collect a gigantic sum from a big company was a fraud, but $100,000 was granted because they reasoned, "It's a rich company, and the insurance policy will cover it." Such thinking means the end of justice and the triumph of prejudice.